Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Peugeot 308. So from any screen, if we go to the sat-nav, which is this, the little arrow in the circle here, or compass as it is, goes onto the screen, doesn't really show you a whole lot there. If you press the checkered flag at the top left and then enter destination, that's showing previous addresses, but we need to click address. And now onto where it says city, and I'm going to put the postcode in. So our postcode is, well, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston P R. It's defaulted to numbers 5 4 E A. Sometimes, there you go, I just need to confirm it. Sometimes if it's got 3 digits in your postcode, or if it's only got, sometimes if it's only got 2 digits in your postcode, you'll have to put the first digit, then a space, and then the second digit. But that's it. So it's got our address in there. All I have to do now is click navigate to, confirm fastest route, confirm that I'm not going to be distracted by
If possible, do a U-turn.
navigation system. That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.